Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. This is my beautiful wife Sarah.
Hey guys.
So we're talking about listing on Amazon today. Maybe you're up to a point where you are listing your product on Amazon today, and you're looking for advice in regards to headlines, maybe description, maybe bullet points. So this is Sarah. She actually helps and lists products for my clients as well. So yeah, what's your advice for today for listing?
Listing tip of the day is planning out your listing in advance. It's important for you guys to be aware of the limited space you have to capture a buyer's attention. Now, what does a listing consist of? It consists of a great headline, some fantastic bullet points, as well as a great description. That goes along with your photos, but we can chat about that later. In terms of your headline, there are different limitations between your Amazon US and your Amazon AU headline. For US, it's 200 characters, and for AU, it's 300. So it's important to be aware of that when you're cutting and pasting if you're in multiple marketplaces.
Yeah, so if you're looking to sell on Australian as well as USA, there's actually different description, headline limitations. Yeah, so if you look in the US, it's a different. Yep. Australia's different. This is when you're ready to list. So this isn't finding products, this isn't finding suppliers. This is actually when you've found your product, you've found your supplier, and you're ready to actually list the product. So you need to have your images in place. And where do you get the ideas for headlines? Where do you get your ideas in terms of writing headlines?
Great places to look are even places like Instagram. Have a look at a product that's similar to yours. Have a look and see what's in the description. Instagram doesn't have a lot of space for people, so when they're trying to capture a buyer's attention, definitely go somewhere like Instagram on social media for inspiration.
Pinterest is pretty good too.
Pinterest is good, but with Instagram you can filter to recommended, so you can see what is the one picture that everyone is clicking on, what is the description that goes with that, which is why I recommend Instagram, because it's not just a pretty picture. You can see who likes it, what's more popular than other items as well.
That's right. All right, guys. So that's some copy, or sorry, that's some tips in regards to listing copy. And anything else you want to add to that?
No, so just in terms of your other limitation, your bullet points, you can't go over 200 characters. And for your description, it's 1,750 characters for your description. So get a Word document out, get a bit of paper, write it down, put lines through it, write it all up, plan it, don't just risk it, because this is your product. This is how you're selling your product.
This is your baby, your business.
Yeah, it is your business. This is what you're selling. Anyway, that's your listing tip of the day.
There you go. Enjoy it, guys. And don't forget, if you want to get more tips on finding products, finding supplies, jump in on my free training. We actually have free training on our website right now, and I hope to see you there. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.